Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I just wake up right now and I'm exhausted. Like I don't feel like waking up. So I made my bed and brushed my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I washed my face. And then after washing my face, I wiped it with a towel. Yes. And after that, guys, I did my skincare on my face. And I did my hair. And I'm putting moisturizer on my hair because my hair must be moisturized. Then I'm going to put on the bonnet. I'm taking it back because I like my bonnet, guys. And then I see my sister crawling there. She's bored. So I'll see you guys.